Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally doing an updated twist out routine. So if you want to see how I get these defined curls, make sure you stay to the end. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. My hair, it dries so fast, so I have to keep applying water while I'm working with it. But as you can see, I separated my hair into 4 sections so that it's easier for me to work through because my hair is super thick. So I'm just going to be working one section at a time. So I'm going to be starting off with this leave-in conditioning cream by Cantu, and I'm just going to be working that into my hair, starting from the ends, working my way up to the root, and really making sure that I get in between each strand because, like I said before, my hair is so thick, and if I just put product on the top, it will not get inside my hair. So just make sure that you comb it through and that the product is evenly distributed. As I was editing this, I realized I forgot to show you guys that after you add the curling cream, you add your twisted oil, and then you go in with your twist and lock gel. And for this, you're going to make sure that you just get through all the strands, rake it through and detangle your hair before you start twisting, and make sure that you add the twist gel to your root so that it's also defined. And then you're just going to twist your hair like you normally would. So once you get to the end of the twist, don't twist all the way down. Just wrap your hair around your finger so that it has that coil in and it doesn't look all like crazy at the ends and gets all frizzy and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna take another section and I'm just gonna do the same exact thing to this section. When you're working with the back of your hair, it doesn't have to be like so organized and clean cut. I'm really just taking any section that I feel like and just twisting it. And I'm also making the sections kind of big so that it doesn't take so much time and so that the twists in the back look fuller, because the bigger the twist or the bigger the section that you take will create a more looser curl pattern, and if you go for a smaller twist, it'll create a more tighter curl pattern. So basically I'm just doing the same exact thing that I did to the other side to this side of my head, and it's pretty much all the same. Now I'm finally adding the oil in, but I'm just going to speed it up because it's going to get repetitive until I get to the front part of my head. So when you get to a twist and you see that one part of the twist is longer than the other, what you're going to do is grab hair from the other side and bring it to the shorter side and just start twisting down, making sure that it's detangled so that when you take it out, it doesn't cause any frizz or anything like that. Okay, so now that I'm in the front part of my hair, now I'm gonna section off where I want my hair to lay. So I'm gonna make sure that these parts look clean, and I'm gonna part whichever side my hair I want it to fall on, and then I'm just gonna bring that part all the way down to section off my hair. Curly hair problems. So now that I'm in the very front portion of my hair, I'm gonna start making these sections for flat twists. So I'm going to be parting my hair downwards so that I can flat twist the front of my hair. The reason why I flat twist the front is because I want the front of my head to look bomb. I want it to look really defined, and the flat twist just make it look really good. And by only flat twisting the front of my hair, it saves time because no one's really going to see the back of your hair anyway, to be honest. Okay, so I'm going to try to explain this as best as I can. So when you're flat twisting your hair, you're going to take 2 sections and then you're going to cross those 2 sections about 1 or 2 times like I did here. And then for the section in the back, because I'm twisting forward so that the curls lay right, for the section in the back, you're gonna grab hair only for that section and then twist it over the other section. And you're just gonna keep repeating that over and over again until you reach the end of where you're grabbing hair. Hey guys, so I was using everything that I was using before, and then I went in with Eco Styler. As you can see, it kind of caused these white dots like to show up on my hair. So what that is telling me is that these two don't mix, but instead I'm gonna use this. This is also Cantu, but it's like a styling gel instead of cream gel. This one's kind of like this type of focus. It's kind of like this consistency, so it has a better hold. So instead of using the Eco Styler gel with this, use this instead because it's the same brand and it'll blend better with it, and it won't cause those white dots in your hair that we don't like. Alright guys, so I'm going to do this side off camera, and I pretty much am going to do the same thing on this side that I did to this side. I just finished this side of my head, as you can see. The reason why you needed the bobby pins, which I showed you in the beginning of the video, is because I actually seen this from another YouTuber on here, so shout out to, I have to look them up. And basically this method that I seen on her channel, so you see how right here the twist isn't really laying on my scalp. So what she did was she would twist the hair around until you felt it really tight on your scalp. You know, like when you get them braids done, you would take your bobby pin and you would put it right between the hair and the twist so that your hair would stay. And I definitely did that wrong, so we're gonna do that again. I think I'm gonna use these bobby pins instead because it might be easier. Yeah, so like that. But as you see now, it's laying flat on my scalp so that when I take out the twist, it's gonna be twisted all the way up to the root. So yeah, if there's any other pieces that are like that, like this one's kind of loose, so I'm gonna do that here. Right now I have 21 twists in my hair, and I'm not gonna blow dry it or nothing. I'm just gonna let it dry overnight. Knowing my hair, it's gonna take like 2 days to dry. So I'm gonna try to take it out tomorrow. If it's not dry, I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer for maybe like 30 minutes, and then I'll show you guys the results tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So this is definitely like 2 days after I filmed that, because my hair, like I said, takes forever to dry. So I'm just removing all the bobby pins that I put in the front of my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with Grapeseed Oil, my favorite oil right now, to oil up my hair. And then I'm gonna have the oil on my hands while I take out the twist, running that through the twist so that there's not as much frizz.
I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything.
So basically what I've been doing throughout my whole hair is, as I'm taking out the twist, I'm going to wrap my hair around my finger like I'm doing here, so that it's more defined, and it's also going to eliminate unnecessary frizz. Also, when you get to a section where the hair is pulling and it's knotted up, do not pull on it because that'll make it frizzy. Just twist it the opposite way and that you twisted your hair, and that should get rid of it. Yay, so this is my hair with all the twists taken out, and I just love the way this came out. I was actually shocked myself that it came out this good. but it's really shiny, defined, bouncy, and everything. So I'm gonna be picking my hair just to take out any of those parts that I made when I was sectioning off my hair in the beginning, and also to just make my hair more fuller and big and fluffy and all that good stuff. So this is the final look, y'all. I'm so happy the way this came out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure that you like and leave a comment down below if you'll be trying this. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.